Hi folks, it's Connie Brower here in Falmouth. It is MLK Day, Martin Luther King Day. This is another year older. I made a video last MLK Day, and I'm going to make one this MLK Day about Canadians' lack of human rights and civil rights. Here we are honoring and respecting a man who stood up for the community's human rights by walking across a bridge and demanding the right to vote in the black community. Well, we have demanded the right to equality in our community, and nobody is listening. Canadian courts, especially the federal court, is acting like a screener for the Canadian government. We have filed multiple lawsuits, and they end up in the big black hole of corruption. That makes the court a screener for the government. The federal court does not behave the way it's supposed to. The way it's supposed to behave is they accept a lawsuit, they file it, give it a registration number, a copy is forwarded to the Attorney General, and it is the Attorney General who files a response to the plaintiff. But that's not what happens in Canadian courts, and that means that no Canadian can go to court and have his civil rights addressed, their charter rights addressed. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is written in stone. It is the Constitution of Canada that if you have a complaint against the Government of Canada, you can go to a court of competent jurisdiction and complain and file a lawsuit. And the Federal Court of Canada has taken that away. Unlawfully taken that away. I want you to understand how serious this is. This is high corruption, ladies and gentlemen. Very high corruption. The lower courts, the Supreme Courts, in our experience and the experience of the civil rights activists in Canada, they completely ignore the rights of fathers, mostly non-custodial parents, and award the rights to mothers and make the mother the sole custodial parent. This means fathers do not have any authority or rights, legal rights, to their children, and this is a violation of human. This is worse than slavery. This is maybe not worse than slavery, but it is slavery. It is modern day slavery. Your property is taken away, your children, your home, your income is taken away, and for the rest of your life you do not have access to your children, and that is wrong. That is against the Constitution of Canada, which says we are entitled to equal rights regardless of marital status. So I'm telling you today, on January 19th, 2015, MLK Day, Canada is worse than most countries around the world, because we have the rights, they are totally not enforced. Shame on you, Canada. Shame on you.